Good afternoon, children. Yesterday you had revised chapter friction. Today you will revise question answer. Objective question answers you have to write in the book with the help of pencil. Earlier you have already written, children, but you have to see your answer. Just look at your book. Friction always dash any relative motion between the two surfaces that are in contact with each other. You will feel opposite. Next, static friction is always dash than sliding friction, more than sliding friction. Static friction is always more than sliding friction. Next, sportsmen use shoes fitted with spikes to dash friction, to increase friction between their shoes and the ground. Fourth, sprinkling of talcum powder on the carom board helps to dash friction, reduce friction. 5. Frictional force on an object moving in a fluid depends on its dash. You have to write nature. 6 number. The shape of an aeroplane is dash to reduce the effect of friction due to air. You have to write streamlined. The shape of an aeroplane is streamlined to reduce the effect of friction due to air. Now, state true or false. First one, when a body slides over smooth and wet surfaces, the amount of interlocking of irregularities of the two surfaces in contact increases. It is false. Second, if a car moves eastwards, the force of friction acts southwards. False. Third, friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press against each other. It's true. Fourth number, the sole of shoes and the tires of the vehicles are treated to decrease the effect of force, effect of friction. It is false. Next, friction can be increased by using ball bearing between the moving parts of machines. False. Fluid friction can be minimized by giving suitable shapes to the objects moving through the fluid. It is true. Now tick the correct option. Suppose your writing desk is tilted to a position where a book kept Pick the correct option. Multiple choice question. Okay, children? Suppose your writing desk is tilted to a position where a book kept on it just starts sliding down. The figure showing the correct direction of frictional force acting on it is last option is correct. Second, the two boys are applying oppositely directed and equal in magnitude forces on a box as shown in the figure. In such a case, the force of friction that would exist between the lower end of the box and the ground would be called, it is static friction. Next, third number. 4 students were asked to arrange the force due to rolling, static and sliding friction in an increasing order. Their arrangement are listed below. The correct arrangement is, it is rolling, sliding, then static, because you have to arrange it in increasing order. Next question. The energy used up in overcoming friction gets converted mainly into sound energy, heat energy, light energy, chemical energy. Heat energy is correct. Fifth number. Rahul rolls a ball on a wooden surface. The ball covers a certain distance before coming to rest. To make the same ball cover a longer distance before coming to rest, Rahul should, third option is correct, sprinkle talcum powder on the wooden surface. Sixth number, a block is sliding on a horizontal surface. The force of friction between the two can be increased by, last option is correct, by putting a second identical block on top of the given block, because we have read force depends upon friction depends upon force pressing the two surfaces together, that is weight. Next, D1. Define the term static friction, sliding friction. It is given in keyword. You can write. State the meaning of the term rolling friction, fluid friction. It is, you can write with keyword. State the likely cause of friction. Cause of friction, interlocking of the irregularities of the two surfaces in contact is the cause of friction. Okay children, interlocking of irregularities of the two surfaces that are in contact with each other is the cause of friction. Now, a box is resting on the floor. To move it, a force is applied as shown in the diagram. Diagram is given. Based on this diagram, you have to answer 3 questions. First is, give the value of the force of limiting friction. It is 3F. Value in the figure, the value of limiting friction is 3F because box just begins to slide in this diagram. Why does the box stay at rest in the cases corresponding to figure A and figure B? The box is at rest because here the sliding friction is acting. Okay children, in sliding friction the object does not come in motion. So in figure A and B, what is the cause? Why is ball at rest in cases corresponding to figure A and B? You have to write due to static friction. Due to the box stays at rest due to static friction in figure A and B. Enough force needs to be applied to overcome static friction so that the box can come into motion. Next question. Mark the direction of frictional force and mention the kind of frictional force that comes into play in each case. Okay children, you can mark direction of frictional force in each case and mention the kind of frictional force that comes into play in first and second. You can write it is at rest, so it is static friction, and in figure C you can write it is sliding friction. Okay children, limiting friction. Box just begins to slide, it is limiting friction. Next, question. Name the kind of frictional force that comes into play when a book kept on a collection of cylindrical pencils is moved by pushing it. It is rolling friction. Next question. Why are objects given special shapes when they are moving through fluid? They are given special shapes to reduce the fluid friction and to acquire a faster speed. Write the name given to these special shapes. It is streamlined body. Name of the special shape is streamlined body. Now question number E1. Define force of friction. List the factors affecting the force of friction. Children, when an object moves over the surface of other object, between the two surfaces one force acts. That force opposes the motion of the object. That force is called frictional force. Okay? Between the two surfaces in contact, force is acting which is opposing the motion of the object. It is called frictional force. The two factors that affect the force of friction are, first one is nature of the surface and second one is force pressing the two surfaces together. Okay? Next question. A ball is allowed to roll down. A diagram is given. A ball is allowed to roll down an inclined wooden plane from a given height at the foot of the inclined plane. It moves on a horizontal surface differently covered one by one as shown in the following figure. In first one it is covered with newspaper, second it is covered with woolen cloth, and in third plain glass sheet is there. Okay children, in which case it is likely to move the longest distance? Give reason for your answer. The ball will cover longest distance in plain glass sheet. Okay children, because you know here in plain glass sheet the surface is smooth, so ball will cover more distance due to less frictional force. Okay, since the surface is smooth, so friction force is less and ball will cover more distance. Next, explain why sliding friction is less than static friction. Sliding friction is less than static friction. In case of static friction, the applied force needs to overcome the interlocking of irregularities. In case of sliding friction, interlocking is not present because the surfaces are in relative motion. Hence, sliding friction is a little less than static friction. Okay? Why sliding friction is less than static friction? You have seen children, in static friction there is interlocking of the irregularities. So in static friction the applied force needs to overcome the interlocking of irregularities of the two surfaces in contact. But in sliding friction there is no interlocking of the irregularities of the two surfaces in contact. So sliding friction is slightly less than static friction. Now give reason for the following. We need to slip when we step on a banana peel. Banana peel is smooth. Due to less friction, we need to slip on banana peel. Okay children? Because you have read children, for walking on the ground, friction is very useful. But on the banana peel, the surface is smooth, it is frictionless, so it is difficult, we can slip on banana peel. It is easier to push a lighter box than a similar heavy box on the same floor. We have read children that the force of friction depends upon the force pressing the two surfaces together. Okay, so in case of force needed, it is easier to push a lighter box than a similar heavy box on the same floor. We know that the force pressing the two surfaces together are important factor which affects the friction. A heavier box would create a bigger force compared to a lighter box on the surface. This would result in a greater amount of friction in case of heavier box. Due to this, it is easier to push a lighter box than a similar heavy box on the same floor. Okay children? Next question. The force needed to start a cart is greater than the force needed to keep it moving with a uniform speed. 4C. We know that sliding friction is less than static friction. Due to this, a horse has to apply a greater force to start the cart than to keep the cart in motion. Okay children, as you know that static friction is more than sliding friction. Okay, sliding friction is less than static friction. So the force needed to start a cart is greater than the force needed to keep it moving with a uniform speed. 4D. Sportsmen use shoes with spikes. Sportsmen use shoes with spikes to increase the friction, to have a better grip on the ground and to avoid the escaping. Okay children, sportsmen use shoes with spikes to increase the friction and to have a better grip on the ground and to avoid the slipping. Next, ball bearings are used in machines. Again, ball bearings are used in machines to reduce friction. Rolling friction, ball bearings are used in machines. Ball bearings are used in machines to reduce friction. And you know children, rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Okay, ball bearings have to counter rolling friction when they move. This results in easier motion. Due to this, ball bearings are used in machines to reduce friction. Next question. Machine parts are frequently oiled or greased. Machine parts are frequently oiled or greased because machine parts suffer wear and tear because of friction. Applying oil or grease over them helps in reducing friction and helps in prolonging their life. Hence, machine parts are frequently oiled or greased. Okay children, machine parts are oiled or greased to reduce friction and to increase the efficiency of the machine parts. Next, sports cars, aeroplanes and boats are designed to have a streamlined shape. Why? Sports car, aeroplanes and boats are designed to have a streamlined shape to minimize the fluid friction. Okay children, and to acquire a faster speed. Why metal chains are wrapped on tires when they run on icy road? Metal chains are wrapped with tires. Metal chains are wrapped on tires to increase the friction. Okay, when they run on the icy road. Icy road is smooth, so metal chains are wrapped on tires to increase the friction and to have a better grip on the icy road. Next, rollers are used for transporting luggage. As you know children, rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Therefore, rollers are used for transporting the luggage. Last question. State and explain with examples how friction can help the cause of motion in certain situations. In certain situations, friction helps in motion. For example, you will see children, the roads are rough so that vehicles can move on the road properly. Otherwise, if the road will be smooth, then the vehicles or the tires or the wheel will not move on the road. So in this case, you have seen children, the roads are rough. Friction helps the cause of motion because some amount of friction allows us to have a better control at the motion. The surface of road is made rough to increase friction. It is very difficult to drive a vehicle on a very smooth road because of less friction. Another example of positive effect of friction is friction can be the difficulty we face in opening a bottle cap. Okay children, if we want to open the bottle cap with wet hand, it is very difficult, or with oily hand it is very difficult. So we open it with towel. Okay children, again you see that in opening a bottle cap with oily hand, in case we need to hold the bottle cap with a rough towel to increase friction, this makes it possible to open the bottle cap. So you see that friction can help the cause of motion in certain situations. Two situations I have discussed. State and explain with examples how friction can help the cause of motion in certain situations. How friction can help the cause of motion in certain situation. First case, the road is made rough. Okay children, and friction helps in moving the vehicles on the road. And second case, that the opening of bottle cap with oily hand is very difficult. If we open it with towel which is slightly rough, then it is easier to open the cap of the bottle. So it is also helpful. With this discussion of question answer is complete, all of you will revise it and you will memorize. Okay children, thank you.